Hello everybody and welcome to Sprinkle Time! In this video, we will be decorating these fancy mermaids and their magical gifts. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. What's this? We have a message in a bottle. Let's take it out and see what's inside. Beware of the sea dragon. I wonder what they mean by that. Anyways, we've got our colors. We'll need some sprinkles, some pretty pearls, and some colorful sanding sugar. Gold, of course. I made some gems using this mold. Here they are. Here are the mermaid tails, the three sisters. And along with that, we have their magical gifts. A mirror, a stone, and a trident. Alright you guys, let's get into it. Oh, there's the dragon. Here we go. Thank you kindly, Mr. Sea Dragon. This is the eldest mermaid of the three sisters. Her favorite hobby is lying in the sun by the beach. She found a secret beach spot and her sisters like to relax there all day. Each mermaid was granted a magical gift, but also a curse by the wicked sea witch. With their gifts, they are very powerful, but without their gifts, they are weak. The gifts are all connected to each other. The mermaids must stay together for the magic to work, and stay together so they are not cursed. We're just going to add some pearl beads because she is a pearl of beauty. Let's add these three icing colors to the icing bag with this tip, and we'll pipe on a belt. And now I'm going to add the jewel that I made. This one's a starfish. And let's use a little bit of pearl dust to make it sparkle. And we'll add a few gold scales. She is looking absolutely gorgeous. Hello, beautiful. And here is her mirror of truth. With this gift, the eldest and her sisters see the truth in everything. They need the mirror of truth to see their real selves and to shine a light on trickery and deceit. Without the mirror of truth, the sisters are cursed with confusion. They don't know what's real or what to believe, and they lose sense of who they are. It is a wonderful gift, but a terrible curse. Adding on the jewel I made and painting the mirror of truth gold. There we have it. Beautiful. Moving on to the middle sister. Her favorite hobby is telling long stories, so she needs a good memory to be able to remember those stories. For this technique, I use a dollop of outline consistency icing and I push it down and pull it back slightly with this spreading knife, and it gives it like a scaled look. We're just adding a belt with some beautiful pearls. And let's put some icing in the icing bag, all three colors, with the leaf tip to make the tail. And the tail is looking plain, so let's add a little bit of sprinkles. And we'll add the belt and one of the gems that I made. Some pearl dust, some gold scales, and voila, beautiful. The middle mermaid was gifted with the Stone of Remembrance. With this gift, her and her sisters remember everything. This is how she remembers all of her long stories. They are always on time and nothing slips their mind. But without it, they are cursed with fatal forgetfulness. They wouldn't even be able to find their way home or know who they are. A powerful gift, but a dangerous curse. Let's add some pearl shimmer to make the stone opalescent. And voila, beautiful. Here is our youngest mermaid. Her favorite hobby is going for long swims, but she can't swim too far or else the gifts will lose their magic power. I'm going to fill in the tail with all 3 icing colors, and I'm just going to blend that together just a little bit. We're going to add some sprinkles to spice it up a little. And we're going to add the icing in this icing bag and pipe the belt. Let's add a jewel, add some sparkle, and some gold scales. Wow, so beautiful. The youngest mermaid sibling was gifted with the Trident of Protection. This gift protects the mermaids from harm and theft. They keep the trident close to the treasure chest to protect all of their gems. But without the trident, they are cursed with vulnerability. They are not safe. The youngest is grateful for her gift, but terrified of the curse. Let's add a few more sprinkles to the trident and a pearl. Some gold to make it nice and shiny. There we go, the Trident of Protection. One day, the 3 sisters were lying on the beach. The youngest wanted to go for a swim, and she took with her the Trident of Protection. This time, she swam too far, and the Trident of Protection lost its power. The sea dragon swam by and stole the Stone of Remembrance. And he also took the treasure chest. The youngest forgot how to get home. The 2 sisters were by the beach, and they forgot about their gifts. They forgot about their sister. Days went by, until one day, the mirror of truth was washed up by the waves, and the eldest could see the truth. She looked in the mirror, and she saw the Stone of Remembrance, and she knew the dragon had stolen it, and she saw that her sister was missing. She wished with all her might that the Stone of Remembrance would return, so her sister would remember her way back to the beach. Okay, mermaid, I will return everything that was stolen. There you go, the Stone of Remembrance and the chest. And I'll have a stern talk with that sea dragon. The youngest mermaid remembered her way back to the beach, and she was reunited with her sisters. The mermaid sisters vowed to never leave each other's side ever again. Their powers are strong as long as they stick together. As for the wicked sea witch who cursed and blessed those mermaids, well, let me know in the comments section if you'd like to see a follow-up episode. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe, etc. And I look forward to next time. Bye!